Another day in the life of an insurance agent. This week, I was speaking with a business owner. He had borrowed some money and was looking for some life insurance, and his question was, are my life insurance premiums tax deductible? So we're going to take a look at that today, and today's topic is your life insurance tax deductible? All right, so let's get started. My name is David Matkowski, and our agency is called Vistaplan Financial Group. Today we're going to look at the options of making your life insurance tax deductible. Sometimes people think that just because they pay for their premiums using their corporate bank account, that automatically their premiums are tax deductible. And in most cases, that's not the case. So let's look. There's actually 3 little simple tests that you should do to decide on, or to determine whether or not your life insurance is tax deductible. Number 1, you've taken out a business loan, a bank loan. Possibly it might even be a loan from an individual person. But whoever you take the loan from, they require the life insurance in the event that you die, that they get paid back. So if you borrow money from a bank, they will request that you have a life insurance policy on your life so that in the event that something happens to you, they get their money paid back in full. So the first requirement is that the lender requires life insurance to collateralize the loan. The second indicator as to whether or not your premiums are tax deductible is the interest on that loan tax deductible? If the interest on the loan is tax deductible and the loan is assigned to a lender, there's a very good chance your premiums will be tax deductible. And number 3 is the loan that you've taken actually expected to earn a return. So really there's only 3 little simple tests to determine whether your premiums are tax deductible, and that is, did the bank require the loan? And did you assign the loan as collateral to the bank? Number 2, the interest on the loan, is that tax deductible? And number 3, are you expected to earn a return on the money that you borrowed from the bank? In all situations, I always recommend that you speak to your accountant. Many times when a policy is being treated for a business loan or purchased for a business loan, what we do is we make the company the owner of the policy, and the company is the beneficiary of the policy, and the premiums are paid by the company. And in that way, if you've met the 3 criteria that I talked about, then likely your premiums will be tax deductible. The other thing that's really important to remember is the type of life insurance you buy also determines what's deductible. So most often when somebody's buying an insurance policy just to cover a loan, we often just use term insurance. So there's no cash value buildup, you're simply paying for what you get. If you happen to buy a universal life policy that might have some cash buildup in it, then there's something called net cost of pure insurance, and you may not be able to deduct all the premiums, only a portion of the premiums each year as a tax deduction. So in all situations, we always encourage you to speak to your accountant. The bank will tell you whether or not they require a life insurance policy against a loan. And between your accountant and, for example, your agent or our office, we would be able to help you determine whether those premiums are going to be tax deductible. So the general question is, are your premiums tax deductible if you buy life insurance to cover a loan? In most instances, yes, but it's always advisable to make sure you cover all your bases, because Revenue Canada isn't that gracious when it comes to deductions that aren't correct. So talk to us, talk to your agent, talk to your accountant, and get the right answers so that you can make the right decisions. Anyway, that's our topic for today. Thanks for listening. In the next minute, you'll be seeing a slide with our contact information if you have any questions for us on this topic or any other topic relating to life insurance. Also, if you're on our YouTube channel, if you could just hit that subscribe button. We try to put out a video every Wednesday, and we'll have topics about life insurance and disability insurance coming through all the time. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.